Hey, what's going on, guys? John here. I got a new toy for washing the car. It's a Torq's Snow Foam Blaster R1 I got from Chemical Guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Looks like we got some spare parts in there. So we got a nice spray nozzle here, hooks onto it. And here's the lid with the spray nozzle. Pickup tube. And looks like I got a owner's manual with some directions here. Alright guys, I'm going to get this thing ready to go and show you how it works. Find out for myself how it works. Alright guys, I'm going to fill this thing up with some Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash from Chemical Guys, and I'm going to fill it up with some hot water and get this thing going. Not quite sure how much to put in. I'm guessing 3 or 4 ounces probably. If it's a little too much foam, I don't think that'll hurt anything. A little bit more. Might be a little much, but get her filled up with hot water and I will meet you guys outside. Alright guys, I got her filled up with water. I'm going to give her a quick rinse, get going at it, and let's see how she does. Alright guys, here's the finished product. It's already got a little bit of dust on it. Sorry about the glare, it's really sunny today. Guys, comment and let me know what you think about the foam blaster. I thought it worked pretty good. It seemed to run out of soap pretty fast, but overall I think it was what I expected. Did a pretty good job. Still takes a couple hours to get this black beast clean. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the foam blaster. And I will see you guys in the next one.